Okay guys, the MS460 running a dry shot of nitrous. The last video was really long. I was explaining a lot of stuff. It was really long, in-depth, and boring. This video is just going to be the cutting. So still dialing it in. Made some changes. Biggest change, got that expansion chamber on there. So obviously it's just mocked up. It's kind of in a goofy spot, but going to be testing that out and some different nozzles, so should get better from here on out. Alright, thanks guys.
Dude!
That's crazy!
That is insane.
Dude! Gotta hold on for dear life.